Oh, um, welcome back. So what we have today here is that how can we permanently remove Nessus and Kali? So how can we permanently remove Nessus and Kali? As you can see, my Nessus here. Once I log into the Nessus, it's asking me for the username and password. So and I've already removed it before. So which means that this Nessus is not permanently uninstalled. So how can we permanently uninstall this Nessus so that it will not bring in another page so that you can be creating another new account? So that's what we want to achieve today. So let's get into it. So let's enter our terminal. Let's enter our terminal and make sure you are in a root Kali. Make sure in a root that or you are in a root, you are a root user. So if you log into this Kali for the first time, it's going to take you to a user, which is a home user, yeah, home user. So how do you switch from home to root? So you can use this command sudo dash r. So use this sudo dash r is going to switch you to a root. So you can use Control L to clear the screen. So we're going to use some command. The first command here is that we need to stop the Nessus service. So we're going to use this command here. Use this command here. So use this command to stop the Nessus service. So once you stop the Nessus service, the second command here is that we're going to remove that particular Nessus. So here we have a sudo. The reason why they put sudo here is that if you are in a home, you must be using sudo, but we're already in a root. So let's copy this command here. Let's copy this command and come here and remove it. So here we are removing the Nessus. That's why we are using dpkg-r. This dash R stands for remove. And here is the Nessus that we are removing. So let's hold on for it. Okay, once we're done, let's go back. The next thing here is that we need to enter this particular directory. We need to enter this particular directory. Put it here, paste, and hit enter key. When we list everything that is inside this opt slash Nessus. Those are everything that is inside. If we did not remove this thing, there's no way that we are finally uninstalling. All this thing must be removed. So let's go back here. Now going to type remove. We want to remove everything that is inside it. So copy, come here, paste, and hit enter key. So once you remove it, we are now going to go. The next thing we now need to do is that if I go back, exist. Once I exist, I type clear to clear the terminal. If I type ls to list what we have inside download directory, we have Nessus. But for the first, let me go back. If I use cd, I will be in a Kali. But when I use ls is going to list all available directories for me. We have a desktop, document, download, and music. I've already go ahead and download an Nessus. So I need to enter the download directory and now say ls, you're going to see the Nessus. So the next thing we're going to do here is that we're going to use a sudo dpackage. That's what they call sudo dpkg package dash I. This I stands for install. I want to install this particular guy, which is the Nessus. So copy and come here and paste. But here there must be a space here. There must be space in between that dash I and Nessus. So hit enter key. So you're going to hold on for it. So let's hold on. So let's hold on. We're going to run some background shell. You're going to see all this background shell. It's telling you pass, pass, pass. So we're going to run some background shell. After that, we're going to bring out a link for us to go and access it on the web. Okay, as you can see here, the install is a part we have already done with the installation. So the next thing it says here is that you can start Nessus scanner by typing this command here. We need to start it. If you can remember, when we want to remove this particular Nessus, we need to stop services first. But if you want to be accessing it, you need to start the services by you to type this command. Come here, type it. So I'm going to paste it here and hit enter key. So once you hit enter key, it's going to authenticate you to provide your password, which is a Kali. So after that, you now say then go to this link, http://Kali. You go to it. So let's just right click on it and you're going to see open link. Okay. So once we're here, you need to click on advanced. Scroll down. Once you click on advanced, scroll down, you're going to click on accept the risk and continue. So you click on this guy here. So hold on for it to come up. So you're going to see initializing. So let's wait for it. All right. As you all see here that once we install this Nessus back, it's now going to be asking us data about card. For instance, If you click on continue, you can see here that you're not asking to do what to register. You can set up a new trial for experts, can start trial for professional, start register for essentials for anyone. But in the first place, it's asking us for what? For username and the password. So here we have already successfully uninstalled the Nessus. So you can create a new account, have a new username and have a new password that you can use to access the Nessus. So that's how you can successfully uninstall the Nessus on a card. So I hope we like this video, and if you find this video good to you, please like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.